You guys, what is up and welcome back to my channel and another episode of Review It. But hold up, wait a minute, make sure you subscribe to the channel. Make sure you check out SavvyNaturalista.com for all your skincare needs. Miracle Glow Oil as well as Larimar Elixir. Make sure you thumbs up this video. Make sure you following me on all my social media sites. And in this episode of Review It, today we're going to see if this product is going to get Shundara's stamp of approval. Now, I bought the cheapest one I could find. Initially, I was going to get on camera and pretend this was Clarisonic and all that. But then I said, you know what? I'm not going to even lie because y'all going to dislike this video for me lying. So instead, I decided to go ahead and be honest. Because I knew y'all was going to go in on me. Y'all always go in on me. So I decided to be honest and tell you guys I got this because the show is on a budget. You guys know, and so I bought a lot of expensive luxury skincare products that I want to try for the show. And since I've overspent my budget on skincare products for the week, you know, I decided to go light. So I'm trying this cheapest skincare spatula I could find. So it ran me about $13 and it's called, okay, let me focus here. You guys see? It's called the Wonder Cleaner. It's one of those skincare blackhead cleaning spatula. So I got the cheapest one. It was like $10 to $13. And it's a true ultrasonic cleaning and toning stuff. This is how it came in the packaging. The packaging was open like this. Oh my God, this is gonna get messy. So let's just open it and see what we got. Oh, look, I was on the budget. Okay, so this is what I got. Can y'all see? Okay, so it's called the Celotis. Celotis, that's the name of the product I got. Celotis. And let's see. This is what I got. Apparently, I'm supposed to charge it. So this is what I got. I got this, the cleaning tool. Wait, why isn't it working? I have to charge it. You know what? We have to come back. I have to charge it. This is what happens when you buy El Cheapo. It don't come with batteries. It comes with a cord that needs charging. I will be back and we gonna see for $13 what we get because I gotta charge it. Okay, we're back. So this thing is officially charged. So it has 3 settings: cleaning, absorb, and repairing. So I don't know what's going on. I'm gonna have to read the little instruction booklet that they gave us. Okay, so apparently you turn it on and you have to wet skin with water. So I'm just gonna use Miracle Glow Oil to wet my skin, which you can find at SavvyNaturalista.com. It's like rose water, aqua de rosas. Oh, when you get cheap stuff, it says Basil Layer. I mean, this is what they got. This is what this looks like. Oh my God, so cheap. Can you guys see? I'm gonna turn the light down so you guys can see. Can y'all see? So that's what it says. So it doesn't really say do anything. And this is the last page. What am I supposed to do with this? Hold on, let me. Oh my God. Okay, so you clean this way. And then you absorb the oil this way, and then I guess you just repair like that. So we'll do our chin first. I'm gonna let y'all see my chin. Oh my God, let me turn it on. Oh, what? Oh my, hold on. Oh, there we go. Okay. Oh, oh, oh my God, what was that? It felt like an electrical shock. Let me see, clean. Oh my God, can you guys hear that? Can you guys hear that? Listen. Oh my God, it's like really hot. Wow. So I'm gonna show you guys what it looks like. I don't know, I can't see anything. Let's absorb. Ew! Ew! my God. Ew, did y'all see those flakes? Ew, what was that? Oh my God, did y'all see that? That was crazy. Okay, so we're gonna try the nose. Y'all see? Ew, look it. Ew. Oh my God, that is nasty. Ew. Ew. Ah, that is so nasty. Oh my God. Ah. Ah. Ew, look at you guys. Ew. That is so gross. Ew. Can y'all see all that at the top? Like literally, ew. Where's a towel? Oh my God, this is so gross. I'm cleaning. What? This thing is so cheap. Like it's about to stop. The battery is literally about to die, you guys. I'm gonna cheap. Okay, so now we have to absorb. So let me turn it on absorb. Oh my God, it got lower. Okay, so let me absorb. I forgot how you absorb. How do I absorb? What is going on? What is going on? It's not absorbing anything. What is going on? Oh my, this isn't absorbing. Let me. Oh, I'm done. I'm done. I can't put the cheap. I can't. I'm done. Oh my God, that was an electrical. It's acting up, you guys. Wait, let me turn the light. It's acting up. Look at it. What's wrong? Did I break it already? Oh my God, this thing is broke. Okay, okay. Okay, hold on. Hold on. How do you turn it off? Okay, this is busted. Okay. Oh my God, it's still low. Let me get my review for this messy pore extractor thingamabob that extracted like little stuff. It did it. And imagine if I got one that was actually a real one. It would have worked 10 times better. So does this get Shundara's stamp of approval? No, you are denied into the vault of Shundara skincare products. It is not worth $10. If you're actually gonna buy one of these, get the good one. I was on the skincare budget. I really had high hopes for this show, and really like this. I really had high hopes for the Sea Lotus. I was about to call it Clee Lotus. But it's Sea Lotus. I had high hopes for the Sea Lotus skincare blackhead spatula. Even it being $12, I did have high hopes. However, I will say it extracted some pores, not a lot. Not what I be seeing other YouTube channels what they be getting on their noses. Their noses be looking nasty. Anyways, it didn't do that for me. So next time, if I get the Wonder Cleaner, this is what this is called, Wonder Cleaner, I think I will buy an actual real one, not the fake one. But the show is on a budget. Y'all know I had to budget the show. Okay, and I said, blackhead spatula or drunken elephant, and I think drunken elephant won and the blackhead spatula did it. So that's what I think, y'all. Ooh, I'm so sorry. This is denied. You don't get Shundara stamp of approval. Maybe if I try the real deal, it will. I want to thank y'all so much for watching this messy show today. Oh, it was just messy. Anyways, make sure you subscribe to the channel. Make sure you check out SavvyNaturalista.com for all your skincare needs. Miracle Glow Oil, as well as Larimar Elixir, as well as Aqua de Rosas. Make sure you thumbs up this video. And I'm sorry, I tried. I wanted it to be, but it didn't. Anyways, thanks so much for watching. I'll see y'all in our next episode. Bye, you guys.